Want to get started, though, with Kathy Walsh and people digging out in Arapahoe County. And Kathy, a lot of digging is required.
Absolutely. But Jim, take a look. As you can see, these kids behind me, well, I'll tell you what, they are loving the results of all that digging out, all the shoveling. The snow here piled up pretty high as the residents moved it so they could get their cars out wherever you went. That kind of work was underway.
Quite a snowstorm we had.
After the shock of seeing all the snow, people in neighborhoods across Arapahoe County dug in. When the sun came out, so did the snowblowers and shovels. In this cul-de-sac, families joined in the physical fun.
Heavy and wet for sure.
Brian Kessler had helpers, Morgan and Max. 5-year-old Max estimated the actual accumulation.
Maybe 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet? It probably feels like that when you're picking up the snow. Is the snow heavy?
Yes.
Across the street, the Bundarams were doing their best. 11-year-old Sunand rated the individual efforts. What about you?
10.
Oh, of course. He gave his brothers 8 and 7. Dad Shale got 9.5.
He's not like a professional snow shoveler, so not a 10.
I'm taking more rest than those guys are, so I think it's deserved.
With Cherry Creek schools on spring break, 16-year-old Zachary Filene offered his services for a fee. He signed up 5 customers. Starting his second job, he said his first took 3.5 hours. Are you regretting what you decided to do?
No, it's not that bad. It could be colder, so it's all right.
On this sunny day after the blizzard of 2021, everyone was looking at the bright side.
We need the water.
Jim and Karen, I checked in with young Zachary just a short time ago, and believe it or not, he is done. 5 clients. He finished them all in this day. The first one took 3.5 hours, as we talked about. I have to tell you, I need ibuprofen just thinking about it. In Arapahoe County, I'm Kathy Walsh covering Colorado First.
I bet he's pretty hungry now, too, Kathy. Thanks so much. CBS